Welcome to Create Arts Online. I'm Sunny Carvalho. In this online course, I'm going to be teaching my style of whimsical character painting. Using a variety of supplies, I will teach you how to create a unique character and animal. I developed these whimsical characters based on funny animals and people that have entered my life and entertained me daily. Starting with a blank birchwood substrate and some simple drawing techniques, I will break down easy-to-achieve steps, making it possible for you to complete a painting of your own. Learning these techniques will allow you to expand your own style while having a full toolbox of methods to choose from. I'll even share my signature red drip method that may work to enhance your style of painting. Using some of my favorite paints and other mixed media materials that you may or may not have discovered, I will guide you on a journey into humor and imagination. This process does not require experience or a vast amount of supplies. In the next section is a PDF with all of the tools, materials, and resources. So let's get started.
Sunny, thank you so much for coming to Create Arts Online. This is such a great course, and man, you are so talented.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Yes, it is so great to have you here. Before we dive into a couple more specific questions to the course, give me a little background on how you did get started as an artist.
I was raising children. I've been an artist my entire life, but the children were getting older and I was trying to figure out what my path was going to be. And I found an event called Art Fest, and it was so inspiring that when I went home, my path it was kind of set from there, and it just grew from that point.
Well, and that says a lot about you and my next question, because really you are an amazingly intuitive painter, and I've watched this over these last couple of days of working with you in shooting this course, and yet you work so intuitively and you can teach at the same time. Can you elaborate a little bit more on how you've merged like those two things?
Well, interestingly, the intuitive part of it for me happens organically. And the really cool thing that I have experienced while filming this is when I teach in person, I don't ever finish a painting because I'm walking around, I'm teaching, I'm focused on the people. So it was really a cool thing to get to go start to finish, not knowing what was going to happen in this painting, and then actually get to the end point. So I really enjoyed that.
Well, and to even dive a little bit deeper into that, the whole beauty of this course is, yes, they're learning your methods, which are so unique, and yet they can create their own style by learning these methods. But it's very rare, you're right, that a student gets to watch a teacher work and make choices. And you really took the time to do that and taught at the same time.
Thank you. Yeah. So, and when I teach, I try to cover not just how to paint or to draw like I do, but more how to find a character that appeals to you.
Right.
Because not everybody likes the same thing, and everyone wants something different. You don't want a cookie cutter of exactly the same thing over and over. So I try to address that in my classes as well.
Right, and you did that so well in this, and really you do see her make this painting from a blank board, which is incredible, using just what you see in front of us. So it's not a lot of materials. It's absolutely doable for a beginner, wouldn't you say?
Oh, absolutely, yes.
And yet, you don't have to do the exact same eyes, but she teaches you just techniques of how to draw certain eyes and how to draw mouths and all those things. So it's really a very achievable thing, and at the end, you've got this amazing piece.
That you can keep for yourself, or you can gift it, or you can add it to the things that you already know. For the people who are more experienced, they can add the techniques into their own style and go on their path.
Yeah, I can't thank you enough for coming to Create Arts Online.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Yay.
Thank you.